Hello there, this is Mr. Like, author and director of Spoken English Easy. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's get started. Do you feel embarrassed, nervous or shy when you speak English? Does your English speaking feel slow and unnatural? Can you read well but cannot speak well? Do you have difficulty while listening to native speakers? Do you watch English movies, English news like CNN, BBC, but you are not getting the complete sense? Do you want to get rid of rat race? Have you been practicing on speaking English over the long period but you are not getting the result you want? Do you watch English movies and you are not getting the complete verses, the complete sentences they are speaking in the movie? Do you want to understand 100% what is being said in the movie, in the news or whatever English program you are watching? So guys, don't need to worry. We have a special surprise for you. If you have one of these problems, after watching this video, you are not going to have this problem again. In this course, I will teach you different slangs and idioms, especially used by native speaker. You know, when native speaker, American, Canadian, Australian, when they are having conversation with each other, they are using slangs, idioms constantly, frequently in their conversation. And when you will listen to those slangs or idioms and you are searching in your dictionary, you are not going to find their meanings, because these slangs or idioms are called casual English phrases. Maybe you are thinking that what is casual English? For your kind information, there are two types of English. Number one, standard English, and number two is casual English. Now if I tell you difference between these two types of English, standard English is especially used by teachers. Teachers are using this type of English with kids. Parents are using this type of English, you know, especially I'm talking about non-native speaker. They are using this type of English with their kids, with their colleagues. And if I tell you about casual English, this is the type of English especially used in America, North America, Australia, Canada. In any native English speaking country, you will hear this type of English. That's why that is the problem when you are watching English movies or you are watching CNN, BBC. They are constantly and frequently using English slangs and English idioms. So if you want to get rid of this problem, after watching this course, your all of problem will be solved, because we focused on recorded real authentic conversation and we have taken these slangs and these idioms from real authentic English conversation. So after watching this course, you're not going to have this problem again. When you will listen any English audio or you watch any news channel, whether it's CNN, BBC, or you're watching English movies, you're not going to have this problem again. I'll give you real examples and I will use the slangs or the idioms in the real situation in a sentence that you will get the complete sense. So guys, if you are interested and you want to take your English to the next level, this course is especially for you. If you guys found this video interesting and helpful, please give it a thumb and subscribe our channel. Thank you.